Chase Inc. Business Preferred Pricing explained what you get for your money. The Chase Inc. Business Preferred Card is designed for business owners who want to maximize rewards on everyday business expenses. Most people get this wrong. They assume it's just another business card, but the surprising truth is how powerful its point structure really is. You earn 3 points per dollar on the first, 0 spent annually on travel, shipping, internet, cable, phone services, and advertising purchases made with social media or search engines. All other purchases earn 1 point per dollar. If your business spends 0 monthly in these categories, that's 360 points a year, enough for thousands in travel rewards. The card carries annual fee, but it's offset by a massive sign-up bonus, typically 100 points after spending 0 in the first 3 months. That's equivalent to 250 in travel through Chase Ultimate Rewards. Other benefits include cell phone protection, trip cancellation insurance, and purchase protection. Points can also be transferred to airline and hotel partners, increasing their value significantly. In conclusion, the Chase Inc. Business Preferred Card is an excellent tool for business owners looking to earn high rewards on everyday expenses. Its bonus categories, strong sign-up bonus, and flexible redemption options make the annual fee a small price for the value you can unlock.